Regret. I have no regrets.
Ma. Excuse me lang po. Ikawawa naman yung mga girls.
Ayaw makarinig na may asawa mong iba. O sige, ha?
The girls are excused?
No, I just want them to be my shadow.
Kawawa naman, manhid na uli yung paa.
Okay, darling. You're excused, darling. Ay, mabata. I wish I'm back to that age. Ano? Tsaka ba talaga tama? Age. O sige, age na lang. Okay, now this time, is it waray-waray? Ay, hindi pala. Yeah, darling, I forgot. I have to sing this song very special for my life that I am 78 now. This is my theme song of the Mahal na Santo Niño. This is for everybody. Because I love Mahal na Niño so much and I thought you also love him so much. So, without him,